This is a one-owner 2007 Hyundai Santa Fe with 58,000 miles. Yes, 58,000 miles. Bridgestone tires are like new. Very, very clean. You will be lucky to find a door ding on this vehicle. Super clean. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Like all of our vehicles, we do a 125-point pre-owned inspection to ensure that when we sell something, it will need nothing. It's midnight blue metallic. Very, very clean vehicle. Gray cloth interior is in great condition. No rips or stains, no wear marks. Original floor mats. No cracked dash. AM FM CD radio. 58,000 miles. Power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise control. For an '07, just in incredible condition. Perfect vehicle for student. In a price range for a one-owner, low-mileage vehicle that's going to be hard to find. So this is a 2007 Hyundai Santa Fe GLS one-owner, 58,000 miles. It needs absolutely nothing, in wonderful condition.